Jan Goldsmith's qualifications to be the San Diego City Attorney certainly include what he learned at USD's School of Law. They also include what he learned on the streets of Manhattan. You don't spend 4 years driving a cab in New York City and not learn a few things. The New York native earned an undergraduate degree at American University in Washington, D.C. Then the cab driver took his show on the road, wanting to be, he says, as far away from New York as he could get. He resolved to spend a year in San Diego. That was 1974. New York is still awaiting his return. Goldsmith graduated at the top of his USD School of Law class, but practicing law, even heading his own firm, was never going to be enough. He was born with a love of history and a passion for public service. Once the youth coordinator for the presidential campaign of Democrat Edmund Muskie, Goldsmith would be galvanized by the Reagan Revolution and be elected to 3 terms in the California State Assembly as a Republican. He would become Majority Floor Leader, developing a reputation for forging bipartisan consensus on legislation, including the two-way HOV lane along Interstate 15. His work improving California's foster care program earned him Legislator of the Year honors from the Children's Lobby. Goldsmith left the State House and would be elected mayor of Poway, and would also serve as a Superior Court judge before twice winning election as San Diego City Attorney. Goldsmith heads a team of lawyers that would be San Diego's largest firm were it a private practice, providing legal advice to city officials and departments, prosecuting and defending civil lawsuits, and prosecuting criminal infractions. In a profession known for specialists, Goldsmith must truly be the most general of practitioners. His career in politics and law is marked by an unwavering dedication to fairness and the ethics of his profession, regardless of scale. When he was charged with developing the wording for a proposed ballot initiative to raise the sales tax by a half-cent, City Attorney Goldsmith exhaustively researched the issue and meticulously developed the language. On Election Day, Citizen Goldsmith voted against it. When Mayor Goldsmith was stopped for a traffic violation, the Poway police officer sheepishly declined to issue a citation. The mayor insisted. When Judge Goldsmith presided over a traffic court case of jaywalking, he privately thought the charge absurd. He was a New York cabbie, remember, but strictly adhered to the fine guidelines after the defendant was found guilty. Jan and his wife, Christine, a Superior Court judge, used to commute to work together. The one-time New York cab driver had a simple but regular instruction for his partner and passenger: hang on. Now that they live within an easy walk to their downtown offices, Christine's knuckles are less white. But Jan Goldsmith, lawyer, politician, public servant, is still enjoying the ride.